Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I've got a fun vlog and styling combo, and we're covering kind of a lot. We've got an errand, we have some art, food, outfits, and yeah, some cheat codes in action. And in the styling sesh, I will be styling up those resale cargos that y'all have been asking me to style up. So I've got some really easy wearable fits all locked and loaded for y'all. And I'm also sharing some styling inspiration that I can't seem to stop wearing, which one is an accessory and the other is with my collared shirts. Okay, so grab your coffee, grab your tea, grab your water, your libations, and let's get to it.
지친 하루 끝 문득 들려온 너의 목소리 따뜻한 그 말 조용히 피어난 노란 봄 웃는 네 모습을 보면 괜히 심장이 빨라지고 너랑 걷는 이 길 위에 시간이 멈췄으면 해 눈빛 한 번이면 충분해 그 어떤 말보다 우린 깊게 이루어져 지금 이 느낌 그대로 계속 바라볼래 조금만 더 이렇게 걷자 지금이 너무 좋아서 이젠 말해도 될 것 같아 널 향한 맘을 내가 먼저 다가가도 돼 그냥 옆에 있고 싶은 거야 I just wanna be close to you 그냥 이대로 자연스럽게 가끔 말 돌려도 한 번쯤은 웃어줘 괜히 잊고 싶은 듯 만들었다 놨다
This was Monday morning. I had to be out the door by 8, so I used my monochrome cheat code for this fit.
그게 헷갈리게 만들어 눈빛 한 번이면 충분해 그 어떤 말보다 우린 깊게 이루어져 지금 이 느낌 그대로 계속 바라볼래 조금만 더 이렇게 걷자 지금이 너무 좋아서 이젠 말해도 될 것 같아 널 향한 맘을 내가 먼저 다가가도 돼 그냥 옆에 있고 싶은 거야 이건 설렘보단 조금 더 조용한 기분 너도 나처럼 생각할까 네가 웃는 걸 보면 천천히 나도 모르게 I just wanna be close to you 지금 이 느낌 그대로 계속 바라볼래 조금만 더 이렇게 걷자 지금이 너무 좋아서 이젠 말해도 될 것 같아 널 향한 맘을 내가 먼저 다가가도 돼 그냥 옆에 있고 싶은 거야 지금쯤은 알아줬음에 네가 모를 리가 없잖아 하루 종일 너만 생각해 오늘은 꼭 내게만
Have you ever been probed? Do you wear cowboy boots with shorts? Have you kissed a frog? Were you in high school theater? Do you own a hockey mask? Did you defeat the rich kids team? Do you like subtitles?
Sacre bleu.
Have you won a bar fight? Made a mixtape? Thrown a drink in someone's face? Been kicked in the crotch? Or read a title sequence? Then we have a genre for you. the Chicago International Film Festival. Find your genre.
Hello. Oh, it's much bigger. I like top center.
My last film, so I feel very, my heart is always in Chicago. Yeah, the film took us 10 years to make. It was a huge chunk of my life, and I'm really curious how you like it. Enjoy, and I'm happy to answer all of your questions after the film.
Thank you so much. We'll see you after.
And since it's still Filipino American History Month, you know I am out here supporting my fellow Philams and sharing this Filipino spot, Boonies, next level home cooked Filipino food. I was in heaven. Have you seen J.W. Anderson's debut collection for Dior Men's Spring 2026? If not, you should take a look. I had to watch it a few times. I had so many favorite moments, but my top favorite is his inspiration of Basquiat and his collared shirt and tie. Let's just take a quick look at the cargos up close real quick. Again, they are from Studio Nicholson, and they are actually black and not navy. I thought they were navy. They've got these two front like slit pockets, and then they've got this long pocket down the side. The back is free of pockets. It's just this, again, long side pocket. And the length, it kind of falls just like below, right at or below my ankle. All right, let's get styling. Oh, and I thought they were $20. They were actually $30, which if you even know this brand, that is like insane. But yeah, Crossroads up in Evanston, they were $30. Okay. I don't know why, but this rugby shirt that I picked up at a flea market on Bondi Beach, Sydney, Australia, was the first thing that called out to me to wear with these cargos. And I love that it's navy with these black cargos. I cuffed my pants and then paired them back to my Mary Jane loafers. Comfy cotton cargos to work? No problem. Here it is paired back to a simple tank, a blazer, a thrifted boy's tie as a fun scarf accessory. I uncuffed the pant and added a little pop of color at my foot with this Lucite heel sandal. Headed out to a gallery opening, a theater production, dinner. I swapped out the tank and the blazer for my leather jacket, and here I'm wearing it as my top. Then I cuffed up my pant, added a sock, and then another pop of color at my foot with these burgundy strappy sandals. Last cargo fit inspo, y'all. And this one is comfy, comfy, comfy. I have it with a white cashmere sweater with another sweater around my shoulders for some added coziness. I have a burgundy sock and my Birch. That's it for today's video. A little life, a little Chicago, and a whole lot of fits and cheat codes in action. Thanks so much for watching. If you had fun and got a few styling ideas, hit like, drop a comment with your favorite look or cheat code, and subscribe so you don't miss what's next. And if you want to shop any of the pieces I styled, everything's linked below. All right, see you next time.